Are you feeling confused and frustrated on your journey of learning Excel? Perhaps you're just starting to learn Excel, or maybe you've been dealing with this software for a while, but you're finding that your progress is not as expected. You may have invested a lot of time and effort, but feel like you're walking into a maze without a way out. Today, we are going to solve this problem together. If you've been spending a lot of time learning Excel, and the pressures of work and life don't allow you to find more time for in-depth study and practice, then what you need is an effective learning plan and time management skills. You might not have a clear learning strategy in the process of learning Excel, wasting a lot of time on features you don't need, while overlooking those that are truly helpful in your work and life. What you need then is a systematic and tailored learning roadmap. Excel is indeed a powerful tool with many complex formulas and features waiting for you to master. For beginners, this undoubtedly adds to the difficulty of learning. However, would learning Excel become less difficult if you had a guide that showed you how to apply these features step by step? Perhaps you lack practice in your Excel learning, which makes you feel powerless and hopeless. Many Excel courses emphasize theoretical knowledge but lack practical application exercises. And we know that the most effective way to learn Excel is through hands-on practice. If you had a learning environment that combined practice and theory, would you have more confidence in converting what you've learned into practical skills? These confusions are not without answers, and we are here to provide them. If you don't solve these problems, these factors will make many learners unable to achieve effective learning results and might even face greater difficulties and frustrations. However, you don't need to suffer from these troubles anymore. Now is your time to change your fate, to master Excel, to improve yourself, and to increase your work efficiency. We understand your confusion, we understand your challenges, and we are here to provide the answers you need. Your success is our goal. Our channel will provide you with the most practical Excel tutorials, from basic operations to real-world drills. We'll be with you every step of the way. So, click the link below. Let's solve your Excel learning pain points together and create your own success in the world of Excel. Whether you're a newbie to Excel or already have some basic knowledge, we welcome you to join us. Your future is in your hands. Take action now. Let's embark on this learning journey and face a brighter future together. We look forward to seeing you in the channel. Let's progress, grow, and succeed together.